Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a killer 1968 Ford Fairlane 500. Killer car, guys. Buddy of mine out of Tennessee is the one who actually found me this car. It's actually an original California car. I love the color. This is factory royal maroon. This is the original color combination for the car. It's also got the factory red, which is really the matching maroon interior in it. Really slick car. Again, original California car, rock solid body, car's clean underneath. Drove it to lunch today. Just a great car. I mean, really hits the road good. Like I say, the thing that really just popped to me was the color. Love this color combination on this car. But good car, factory S code 390 car, automatic C6 automatic car, power steering, power disc brakes. It's actually a factory air car. The AC is off it. The compressor for it is in the trunk. But great car. Like I say, hits the road good solid body. Previous owner said the car's about a 7 or 8 year old restoration. He's owned the car for 5 years, and he said it had just been done a couple of years prior to him buying it. You can see the trim is actually original on the car, so you can nitpick that a little bit. The car was repainted. Again, factory color. There's a few little things you can kind of nitpick on that. But nice. Matter of fact, I've actually ordered a paint stick for it too, so I don't have this color to do a few little touch-ups. But pretty car, man. Like I say, the color just hit me right. I just really think that looks good on this car. Car really hits the road good. Something, like I say, there's a few little touch-up marks I saw on it. But like I say, I've ordered a paint stick so that we can do the little touch-ups on it. Pretty car. And like I say, hit the road really nice. Again, you can see a couple little scratches there. You can nitpick the bezel there a little bit. I would say this has always been a pretty doggone nice car. I don't think this is a car that's been messed with a whole lot. Sorry, a little pollen my guys missed. You pull them out here right now and it's insane how quickly they're full of pollen. Look how straight that car is though. Nice and straight down the sides. I love the wheels. It's got the Magnum 500s all the way around it. Bumpers are clean and straight. Another one of those cars that you don't have to break the bank to buy. I've ordered new mats for it. We had to order a new switch for the blower motor. Car's nice and clean underneath. You can see a couple little marks on that door there that need to be touched up. Just a few little stone pecks, but like I say, we'll get that paint stick and touch it up. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Car's pretty. Factory S code 390 car. You can see it's got the stock air cleaner on it, stock chrome valve covers. Again, power steering, power front disc brakes, C6 automatic trans. Car's nice and solid, just a clean, straight 0 Ford, guys. C6 automatic trans. Again, you can kind of nitpick the valve covers in there, but we kind of left it alone. I didn't want my guys to over detail it because, like I said, I think it's just a good, honest car. It's got the original wheel well opening chrome on it. I think all the side moldings and everything are original. Car's nice. Then you can see this stainless, it's all original. see that. I'm not real sure. I think the guys must have just been wiping the windshield down or something. The windshield wiper was stuck up. You can tell these are factory. These have definitely been replaced. Again, look how nice, you know, the doors are nice and clean. These are original. You can see the Fairlane stickers peeling there a little bit. They have replaced the carpet. I've ordered new mats. Those look like the original sill plates for the car. I actually talked to my buddy. Actually, he thinks that these are the original seats. Car's only got 85,000 original miles on it. He thinks those seat covers are original. They're awfully doggone nice. You can see the headliner's nice. Factory dash. Factory gauge is 85,779 on your odometer. Radio doesn't work. I don't even know if the radio's hooked up. I think they actually had a different radio in the car. It's got an H pipe, Magnaflow dual exhaust system in it. Stock 9-inch rear with a factory 275 highway gear in it. Look how clean that car is, man. Factory jack with spares here in the trunk. There's your compressor. I'll be honest with it, if I was going to put the air back on it, I'd just do a vintage unit or something like that. See how nice they replaced the fuel tank. See how nice it is in here, though. I believe the car's got all the original body panels still on it. Like I say, just a good, clean, straight old Ford. Car's clean underneath. The floors are nice and clean. Sorry, it's from my guys waxing it there. These are definitely new door rubbers. And they have replaced this carpet. That's definitely new carpet. Those seats are awfully nice. I'd almost think those are been replaced. I mean, they are just really nice. Door handles are nice on the car. Car runs and drives great. Like I said, I put I don't know, I put like 6-7 miles on it today. Yeah, rev it again. You couldn't hear that truck coming by. Just a good car. And again, factory S-Code 390 car. I love that color, man. It's pretty. I've had quite a few of these Fords in the last couple years now, and I'll tell you, everybody likes them. Fuel gauge works, speedo works. There's not much else for gauges. No on the radio. Again, we had to order a new switch for the blower motor. That is on the way. No, remember you had the order switch and the radio does not work. I know the wipers do work, yep. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.